Currently, 64% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, and nobody really wants to talk about this. Cost of living has become more and more expensive. Groceries have gone up, utilities have gone up, and unexpected financial setbacks have become more common than ever. Waiting on your next paycheck is not unusual. In fact, here is a crazy statistic. More than 50% of Americans that earn more than $100,000 a year are living paycheck to paycheck. That's insane. Just because it's the norm doesn't mean it's okay. It doesn't mean it's comfortable, as 77% of Americans experience financial anxiety. From the moment I started working as a teenager, I thought it was really crazy that we had to wait 2 weeks to get paid. We had to wait a week to get paid. Life doesn't happen bi-weekly, neither should your payday, right? And it's even crazier to think that there are some people that get paid once a month. That's insane. And as I was researching about the current state of the economy and how everything's going up and nothing's going down, I found something that's crazy and awesome at the same exact time. Think about it like this. You work every day, right? But your pay takes days and weeks to catch up. So that limits your options and your financial momentum for no good reason. And what I stumbled across was EarnIn. This is really crazy. I feel like this is groundbreaking, honestly. I've never seen anything about it. I haven't seen anybody else talking about it either. What if I told you EarnIn is an app that lets you access your money as you earn it, not days or weeks later? That's the crazy part about this. Because like I said earlier, life doesn't happen bi-weekly, neither should your payday, right? What does EarnIn actually truly offer everyone out there? Well, first it starts with access to your pay every day. This includes also a range of tools to help you build a financial momentum over time. I'll be honest with you, this almost doesn't even seem real, but it really is, because EarnIn is the proud pioneer of earned wage access. I know you've probably never heard of this, or maybe you have, but this is groundbreaking for everyday hardworking Americans out there, because it's giving workers access to their money as they earn it instead of every week or every 2 weeks. Or those people out there that are looking for it every month, like literally once a month. Now they do all of this with the cash out. Now that is their main product that they offer, and they can offer up to $100 a day or up to $750 a paycheck from your earnings. Also offer the lightning speed, so you can access your pay in just minutes for a small fee, of course, with lightning speed, or stick to the ACH at no cost and get your money in 1 to 3 business days. It also offers something called Balance Shield, which I was like, yo, this is something that everyone needs. Why doesn't everybody have it? Some bank accounts do and some actually do not. But Balance Shield sets up alerts and automatic transfers for if your bank balance falls below a certain amount, to make sure there's always money in your account. And they also give you a little bit more. They're giving you credit monitoring, so you can track your credit scores for free, stay ahead of those crazy surprises of any type of credit alerts, and stay ahead and stay on top of your financial goals. So the big question is, how much does this cost, and how does EarnIn make money is a real big question, right? The other groundbreaking part that I couldn't believe. EarnIn operates on the optional tips customers give when they access their earnings, and extra services like lightning speed they can use to transfer earnings even faster for a small fee. But here's the big but. Tips and fees are optional, 100% optional, to make sure that EarnIn remains affordable, accessible, and flexible for as many people as possible, because flexibility is what helps build momentum. And please, please do not come into the comments saying, oh, it's a payday loan, oh, it's a cash advance, because no, it is not a payday loan and it is not a cash advance. Because EarnIn does not offer loans or cash advances, because earned wage access is all based on money you have already earned. There are never any mandatory fees, interest charged, or dings to your credit ever. I'm sitting here thinking, why didn't anybody think of this any sooner? Why are they the only ones that are actually doing this? Probably because all these crazy companies were making so much money off of cash advance loans or like payday loans, but this is not that. Exactly as I just said, it is not a cash advance and it is not a loan, because they don't write loans. For years, and most likely decades, there has never been an option to have an earned wage access. And I'm gonna say groundbreaking a bunch of times in this video, so make sure that you start a little counter if you want to. But this is why it's groundbreaking, because this can literally change and help millions of Americans across the United States. And I'm really, really thankful that I accidentally stumbled upon this when I was reading up on everything that's going on in the economy, because at the end of the day, Americans still are living paycheck to paycheck, and they can't wait a week or 2 weeks. Sometimes bills start to pile up. You have groceries, you have light bills, you have everyday necessities that are getting in the way and causing people to have those financial mishaps. And it doesn't mean that you're financially irresponsible. It just means that sometimes life happens. And this is why I tell people when they say, pay your debts. You don't know what someone is truly going through. You don't know what someone's life is all about for you to make those nasty comments. So please keep those nasty comments off this video, because they're not necessary, because we're trying to help people and finding better solutions for everyday hardworking Americans. I was literally sitting here thinking, man, this is really genius what EarnIn has created, but I started to think, why is it employers have not started doing this? Why is it so difficult to pay your employee, any of your team members, actually the same day that they work? Why is that even possible that we have not thought about this ahead of time? Why are we still living in this archaic world where you have to wait a week, 2 weeks? And like I said, there's some people that literally have to wait a month. I couldn't imagine being a school teacher, because it's a lot of school teachers, depending on the states, that have to wait to get paid once a month. That is insane. So you have to stretch every single dollar and make sure that you don't overspend in any category that you have in life. And if you have some type of life hiccup, you have some type of financial setback, guess what? You have to wait a whole other month. That's insane. I don't know how educating professionals even do this every single day. And I think there's other professions out there that also do this. If you know of any, throw them in the comments, because I can't think of any right off the top of my head as I'm shooting this video, but I know that there's more actually out there. And with EarnIn, you can literally make everyday payday. That's crazy. This is why I'm saying this is groundbreaking. I really truly think that EarnIn is super helpful and useful for any household out there, because think about it. What if you have to take your dog to the vet, or you get sick and you got to go to the actual urgent care or to the hospital, or you're celebrating a wedding, or you're celebrating a birthday, or you want to treat yourself or a friend or a family member to a nice meal for a special occasion, or just to go out and hang out. Days of having to wait till you get paid or wait till your paycheck have literally been fixed by the EarnIn app. It's pretty crazy. So who can EarnIn truly help? They can help everyday hardworking Americans who earn regular paychecks. There are teachers, nurses, realtors, retail and restaurant workers, you name it, anyone that's earning a regular paycheck. If you're interested and you want to get EarnIn, it's going to be in the video description, and I'm going to pin it at the very top of the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video, because we brought you a groundbreaking new EarnIn app that is really going to change everyday life for everyday Americans. Now make sure that you watch the next video, because it is about another tool that anyone can use to help rebuild your credit. Now, if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.